Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to apply a realistic lipstick in our image in Photoshop. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image on which you want to apply realistic lipstick. So this is my image. If you want to download this image, then check the link in the description of this video. What we simply do that we can paint over there and then blend this lipstick to the multiply, but it does not look so realistic. So make a new layer. First, select the background layer, press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer and then hide the background layer. Now select the layer 1, select the brush tool, then paint it over there. Select the red color, blend this layer to the multiply and make its opacity to about 60%. Now rub it over there. First select a soft round brush, then rub it over there. So now as you can see this, that I have rubbed that red color on our image. Make its opacity to about 50%. Yes. Now as you can see this, that it doesn't look so realistic. So click here and then select curves, and press and hold Alt key, then click on the auto. Then select find dark and light colors, then select snap neutral midtones. Press OK. Make it slider a little bit down. Now press and hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and then click on the lipstick to make a selection of this. Now make sure that the mask is selected, then press Ctrl Shift I to invert the selection. Now select the eraser tool, make sure that the foreground color is white, rub it over there to remove the effect from the skin. Then press Ctrl D to delete the selection. So as you can see this, that how quickly we make our lipstick realistic. Press Ctrl 0. Now make its opacity to about 90%. So as you can see this, that it looks much more realistic. Now make sure that the background layer is hide and then press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. Now this is the before and this is the after. Now press Ctrl Shift A to open camera for some adjustments. Now press OK. Now as you can see this, that this is the before camera and this is after camera. So as you can see this, that how quickly we apply a realistic lipstick on our lips in Photoshop. If you like this video, then please press that like button and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. Goodbye.